Let's talk about the latest launched Samsung smartphone Galaxy A25. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with Super AMOLED display, with 6.5 inches Full HD plus waterdrop notch display. Resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, 1000 nits brightness, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, approximately 84.2%. Screen-to-body ratio, approximately 396 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 13 megapixel front camera. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 6 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual-core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Exynos 1280 chipset, paired with Mali G68 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161 by 76.5 by 8.3 mm, and it weighs around 197 grams. And the color options: Brave Black, Personality Yellow, Fantasy Blue, Optimistic Blue colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A25 has been expected priced in Pakistan for 6 GB plus 128 GB. Storage variant at 77,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 83,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy A25 smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.